Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the friends not showing up issue in Minecraft. This issue usually happens because of Microsoft account sync problems, privacy settings, or connection issues with Xbox services. First, make sure you are signed in to the correct Microsoft account. Go to your account settings and confirm you are logged in properly. If you are using the wrong account, your friends list will not load correctly. Next, check your internet connection and restart Minecraft to refresh the session. After that, sign out of your Microsoft account and then sign back in again to force a fresh sync. Also check the privacy settings in your Microsoft account and make sure multiplayer and friend visibility are allowed. Finally, update Minecraft. Open any browser, search for Minecraft download, and make sure the game is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions can fail to sync friends properly. The simple rule is that if your account sync or login is incorrect, your friends list will not show up, and relogging usually fixes it. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Minecraft friends not showing up by checking your Microsoft login, refreshing sync, updating privacy settings, and updating the game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial video.